Should a pop-up drink stand reward frequent customers? Yes, a pop-up drink stand absolutely should reward frequent customers, because loyalty programs turn one-time buyers into regulars who come back again and again, and they spread the word to their friends for free. Here is something a lot of small stand owners never think about. A loyalty program does not need to be complicated or expensive to work. Even something as simple as a punch card where a customer gets their 10th drink free can boost repeat visits by a huge amount, because people love watching progress toward a reward. What is interesting is that customers often return more often just to fill up the card, even if the free drink itself is not that valuable to them. This is called the endowed progress effect, and it means people feel like they already own part of the reward the moment they start collecting stamps. You can use this by giving new customers a card that already has 1 or 2 stamps filled in before they even buy anything. That small head start makes them feel closer to the goal and much more likely to keep coming back. It costs you almost nothing, but it changes how people think about your stand completely. One common mistake is making the reward too hard to earn, like requiring 20 purchases before anything free happens. People lose interest fast if the goal feels too far away, so keep the number small, somewhere between 5 and 8 purchases, so it still feels reachable. Another mistake is forgetting to track customers at all, which means you cannot even tell who is loyal. A simple phone number lookup or a paper card system solves that instantly. Lastly, many stands reward quantity but forget to reward referrals, so consider giving a free drink anytime a regular brings a new customer along, since that turns your best fans into your marketing team. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.